Welcome to Sunstone, a proud Texas company. Now let's explore the Sunstone single drop-in side burner, a gateway to culinary excellence. Experience the power of a heavy-duty 15,000 BTU all-brass burner with a lifetime warranty. Crafted with precision from 18-gauge 304 stainless steel, it's built to endure. Enjoy using this Versa single burner with its high-searing heat, perfect for stir-frying cooking, bacon, eggs, and fish. Its unique design features a fully detached cover for unprecedented access and compatibility with larger cooking pans. This burner offers 180 degrees of flexibility, allowing creative placement of 1, 2, or more side by side, creating unmatched cooking versatility in your outdoor kitchen island.